Hi guys, thanks for checking out another cooking with me video. Thank you for the positivity that you guys have shown regarding the cooking videos. They are fun and I enjoy doing this. But we are making breakfast sandwiches to go today. So the kids can grab them on their way out to school. You can grab them on your way out to work. This is the kind of stuff I like to have prepared. So as you can see, these are English muffins. I'm going to lightly toast them, not heavy, just kind of lightly toast them. This is milk, black pepper, garlic powder, and seasoning salt. Season to taste. You guys, with my cooking videos, season to date to taste. Um, I'm outside, so you guys may hear birds chirping and all of that stuff. So this is what I mean by lightly toasted. I don't want them toasted too much because if you want to freeze them, you don't want them to dry out. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, these ain't even going in the freezer because the kids gonna go through these like nothing. So if I make 20 of them and everybody take two, they gone in a day. So I added a half a stick of butter and a little oil to a skillet. Did I show the oil already? I think I did. The little droplets you saw, that was the oil. Now I'm going to add my eggs. I like to cook my eggs low and slow. So I put them in the skillet, let them sit for a few seconds, stir them around, and let them sit. Then stir them around a little more. And then I just let them sit for a while. Now this is where we are. Now it's time to scramble them. But like I said, I like to cook my eggs low and slow. And I had about 12 eggs in there, so it's going to take a little longer. But this is on like low medium, closer to medium, but low medium heat. And I let the skillet warm up. I let the skillet preheat. So as you can see, the eggs are coming together perfectly. And when you cook your eggs low and slow, that makes them so soft and so fluffy. They're just great. I mean, you can scramble them fast, but to me, it's just better low and slow. Now, right here is where I would stop scrambling my eggs if I were going to freeze them. I like to undercook the eggs just a little bit because when you put it in a microwave, it's going to continue to cook and you don't want to overcook your eggs and have kind of tough eggs. So because my daughter loves her eggs next to brown, I'm going to cook them a little more, as you can see. So I'm cooking all of the excess, not moisture, but runny eggness out of it. Now, this is me. Um, I like my eggs scrambled versus the little baked eggs in the oven, and I kind of have a love-hate relationship with eggs. But as you can see, I'm gonna pile the eggs on the English muffin, and you guys, these were so good. And I like strawberry jelly with mine, and I'm gonna show you later on in the video why I stack it the way that I do, so that I'm able to add the strawberry jelly once I heat it up if I want to. I don't add the strawberry jelly then put it in the microwave. But I'm getting ready to eat these now. That's why you see me adding the strawberry jelly. I'm getting ready to eat those like now. Now you can eat them without jelly, of course, but I just like adding strawberry jelly to mine. My son likes to add hot sauce to his, to each his own, but I just like strawberry jelly with mine. You can also make these with a little green onions or a little bell peppers and onions scrambled into your eggs. Oh my God, that would be so good. Now I'm going to show you how I wrap them. Very simply, I let them cool first. Let them cool first and then wrap them. And you see where right here is where I'm squeezing those ends together, because that little end that's left, I'm going to tuck it and show you guys what I write on the outside of the wrapper. So again, I'm going to show you, okay, here is where I put the strawberry jelly. So once I warm it up, I put the ham at the bottom. That's Canadian bacon. I put the Canadian bacon at the bottom so that I can lift that part off and put the jelly if I want the jelly there. So as you see, I tuck the ends. And you can make these with no egg. I made some with no egg, but y'all don't really need to see that I just did it without the egg. For some of my kids who don't eat egg. So, you can do it with bacon, ham. You don't have to use Canadian bacon, ham, turkey, whatever. However, whatever you want to use. So that little piece that I told you guys I was leaving out, I tuck it underneath there, and then I write on this side. So this is the English muffin with egg and cheese. Because you have kids that don't like cheese, and you have kids that don't like egg. And so that's the way I label them so that they can see them in the refrigerator. But I'm going to put these in the refrigerator. I'm not going to freeze them. But if you freeze them, You have to microwave them, depending on your microwave, for like a minute and a half or so. But I'm not even going to freeze them because I know they're going to be gone in no time. But this is just something that I make ahead that they can grab on the way out of the door to school. You know, my son going to take about three of them at least on his way out. You know, when you have young adults, y'all know. So I'm not even going to get into venting. But this is the way I do them. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for the support, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.